Harry Potter and Jane Austen represent two distinct literary worlds, separated by genres, themes, and centuries, yet both have left an indelible mark on the literary landscape. J.K. Rowling's magical realm of wizards and witches, epitomized by the beloved Harry Potter series, stands in stark contrast to Jane Austen's Regency-era England, where social nuances, manners, and love stories take center stage. The Harry Potter series, comprising 7 books, captivated readers worldwide with its intricate plot, well-developed characters, and the enchanting setting of Hogwarts' school of witchcraft and wizardry. Rowling weaves a tale of friendship, bravery, and the eternal battle between good and evil. Her storytelling transcends age barriers, making it a phenomenon that has touched the hearts of readers young and old. On the other hand, Jane Austen's novels, such as Pride and Prejudice, Sense and Sensibility, and Emma, transport readers to the genteel world of the early 19th century. Austen's wit and keen observations of human behavior, particularly within the confines of social norms, continue to resonate with readers today. Her novels explore the complexities of love and societal expectations, often employing satire and irony to highlight the absurdities of the society in which her characters navigate their relationships. Despite the apparent differences in their genres and settings, both Rowling and Austen share a common thread: the exploration of human nature and the complexities of relationships. While Harry Potter faces magical challenges and battles dark forces, the characters in Austen's novels grapple with societal expectations, class distinctions, and the pursuit of love and happiness. Both authors excel in creating relatable characters whose journeys captivate readers, fostering a connection that transcends the fantastical and historical realms they inhabit. Moreover, the enduring popularity of both the Harry Potter series and Jane Austen's works lies in their universal themes. Friendship, love, courage, and the triumph of good over evil are timeless motifs that resonate with readers across generations. Whether one is engrossed in the wizarding world or immersed in the refined society of Regency England, the fundamental human experiences explored by Rowling and Austen create a bridge that unites their seemingly disparate literary landscapes. In essence, from the magical adventures of Harry, Hermione, and Ron to the romantic entanglements of Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy, both Rowling and Austen have crafted narratives that continue to enchant and endure. Their works stand as testaments to the enduring power of storytelling and the ability of literature to transport readers to worlds both extraordinary and familiar, connecting us through the shared experience of the human condition.